If you drive an older but trustworthy car, maybe an all-time classic, or a large vehicle such as a truck or RV, you may be missing out on some of today's modern car safety gadgets. Nowadays, most new cars come with lots of integrated safety features, one being factory-installed rear-view cameras. Rear cameras are a very useful tool to increase the safety of your car when backing up. So it would be a great idea to have one installed on your vehicle if it doesn't already have one. A lot of third-party rear cameras require a bunch of wires to be installed in your vehicle, but not everyone is up to or willing to go messing around with cables and wires in their cars. You could pay an expert to make the installation for you, but that will bump up the cost significantly. So today, in order to help with this problem, we have here the CS-2 digital wireless backup camera from our friends at Auto-Vox. The CS-2 will give any vehicle a rear camera that is easy to install and easy to use. Let's start by opening the package. We can first see a cute warranty card, then the user manual. Next is the dash mountable LCD monitor. We then see some zip ties for cable management and the nice inclusion of double run wire splice connectors for easily tapping into the reverse light. We next see the wireless signal transmitter and cable. Next is the suction cup to mount the monitor. Next is a rear camera with mount tape. And finally, the lighter power adapter with a USB charging port. Having a closer look at the monitor, on the front we can see the 4-inch LCD screen and an LED indicator. On the back we have the holes for the mount bracket, the power cable, and buttons for up, menu, down, and OK. The rear camera can be swiveled, it has double-sided tape for mounting it, and it can withstand extreme temperatures. The installation of the CS-2 camera is not very difficult. The only technical step required is that you need to connect the transmitter wires to the reverse bulb in your car. To do this, take the included splice connectors, place them over the red and black wires of your reverse bulb, then place the corresponding red or black wire from the camera's transmitter to the second bay on the splitter and use pliers to crimp them together. The splice connectors will create a clean and sealed connection quickly and easily. Just remember to connect red to red and black to black. Once this is done, connect the rear camera to the transmitter and place it where it suits your vehicle best. Then just attach the monitor to the suction cup mount, connect the power cable, and the rear view will come on every time you shift into reverse. Let's now have a look at the operation of the monitor. Using the buttons on the back, you can change the display's brightness and contrast to get the best combination for you. You can mirror the image horizontally. You can turn the reverse grid lines on or off, and reset everything to factory defaults. In conclusion, the Auto-Vox CS-2 is an awesome safety addition to any vehicle that does not already have a rear camera installed. The wireless signal is quite clear and it is rather easy to install, requiring only 2 wires to be connected. It can be easily mounted on your windshield or dashboard, and it even comes with a charge port for your other devices. If you'd like to check out the Auto-Vox CS-2, don't forget to click the link provided below. Thank you very much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing, commenting, and sharing. Up next are a couple of videos of the rear camera in action. I'll see you on our next review.